correct?
Uh-huh.
So say for instance, if it is installed some other location, then we need to give that server name or IP address,
Okay.
correct? That and
Uh-huh.
port number. This is the
Okay.
port number and this is the server location and this is the database name.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So that is the database name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's clear, right? This is the
Yes.
database name and
Username and password, I
yes,
believe.
the last one is username and password.
Mm-hmm.
This user one is the username and this one is the password. So this line is clear, right? The second line.
Yes.
And now finally by giving all these details you will get connection object.
Yes.
Okay, once you have a connection object, then you can call this method call.create statement.
Execute query. Okay.
Yes. If you have a connection object, so just why we are doing all those things just to get the statement object, connection object. So once you have a connection object, then you can call this method call.create statement. Then we have from that it will return an
Mm-hmm.
object called statement.
Mm-hmm.
So if you
Okay.
have a statement object, statement dot execute query, and these are the SQL statement. Select star
Mm-hmm.
from table name.
Mm-hmm.
So basically here what I am trying to do, I want to retrieve all the records available inside the test table. Test is a table name and this is SQL statements.
Mm-hmm.
So here you can pass any kind of SQL statement and this will
Yeah,
be
that I understand. Yeah.
this will be executed under this database and you will get
Uh-huh.
the results finally.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Once you
Yes.
get the results and you can either you can insert the data or you can retrieve the data. So here you see here, right? So this is the reading the
Mm-hmm.
data part and this is the insertion part. To do all those things, what we need a statement object. How we will get a statement object? We need a connection object. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
These are the interrelated ones. So these are the sequential steps we need to follow for any database.
Mm-hmm.
To take any database, we need to follow the same standard steps.
Mm-hmm.
It's clear, right, so
Okay.
far?
Yes. Manohar,
Hmm?
the local host thing and 1521. These are not static. It's changes, right? Because this
It
is,
is
I believe,
server
this is the
specific.
IP address or
Yes,
something,
correct,
something,
exactly what
something.
I. Now I'm
Okay.
using here Oracle. So if you go for
Uh-huh.
some MySQL, it will check JDBC colon, MySQL colon, company tutor. So these details you will get from the
Oh,
vendor
I see.
Oracle.
Because okay,
So
okay.
Oracle, right? So if now
Uh-huh.
currently we are using Oracle. Say for instance, if we are using MySQL, they have their own standard.
Mm-hmm.
So this will change for MySQL. And username password anyway, you will get it from the this server details. Correct?
Okay. Yes. Now I
So
understand.
there is that. So I'll show you the MySQL part. See here, if you see MySQL, right?
Mm-hmm.
Driver manager dot get connection. You see here JDBC colon, MySQL colon, localhost colon, some port number and some username that port password.
Mm-hmm.
The similarly for every database having its own standards. Right?
Okay, I see. Yeah.
So finally, after that, once you execute your SQL query, then you will get result set and you can iterate that result
Item,
set
item.
by using while loop, for loop or whatever as per your requirement.
Okay, okay. Now I understand. Yes, you don't have to explain the rest.
It's clear, right now?
Yes. So if the interviewer asks me if I've ever worked with JDBC, then I would say yes. I have to write some business logic and I have to start with the class
Yes.
then
These are
followed
the
by get connection
yeah, these are the
method.
standard lines for all the database. Just to keep
Okay.
this file with you and forever.
Mm-hmm.
And whenever you are start writing code, you just copy paste this code and just change your vendor and this URL and username password.
Uh-huh.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
This
Mm-hmm.
this piece of lines are standard for all the databases. You don't need to write any specific lines for any database.
Okay. 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 Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. So next question is,
Mhm.
I was wondering, we talked about the uh, enhanced loop, which was given by um, JDK 1.5,
Mhm.
for blah blah blah, with the semicolon. Can I
Okay.
use the same thing when I use two-dimensional arrays?
Yes. Yes, you can. You can. Yes, you can use. So that enhanced for loop can be used for anything. You can use for basically you want to use for a two-dimensional array. That's what you mean. Hello. Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, basically we are planning to use this enhancement formula for two-dimensional array. That's what your
Yes,
question, right?
yes. If I can use the enhanced loop with the two-dimensional array.
I think it will not work, but I will show you. So
Oh,
basically,
if
this
no one use it, then I don't have to study. I
no,
thought
no,
people use
it
it.
will not work. So this enhanced for loop will work only
Okay.
for a list of elements, not for two-dimensional array, single dimension list, not for multi-dimensional list. Only for single dimension list.
Okay.
So it will not work for like a multi-dimensional list. So this is the last class what we created. Okay. That will not work. If you want, I can try to write this. So basically, so
Yes.
this enhanced for loop, right? It will work only for
Yeah, if it
arrays.
works with the two-dimensional array, yeah. Enhanced loop. Yeah.
Yes. So whenever you are writing anything, right? So here
Uh-huh.
there is a two parts. So here you need to pass the list.
Okay.
You write whatever
Yes.
you want to list basically, okay? And here, so the list is of what type? It's integer or float or double or whatever. So you need to declare a variable over here.
So my question is, when you write int z
Mm-hmm.
semicolon
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
all refers to arrays, or all is like all like
All
values?
is array.
Okay.
This is the reference correctly I'm trying to refer.
Okay.
So basically you cannot yes. So now it's an array, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I can print
Yes.
all the elements.
Yes.
You see, so it will if I run it, you will see all the two elements it will print and it will display. It will print. But now what
Mm,
you are saying, you want to use two-dimensional array, right?
yes.
I never tried. Let's try it. Okay, you copy the data instead of typing. See the dimension itself, it is not taking. So basically here,
um,
right? So it will take only single dimension array, either single dimension
oh,
array
okay.
or list.
Okay. So it will
So
take only
basically it won't allow basically.
okay.
If it is a iterative question, then you can say straight away it will not allow.
Okay. So enhance for loop doesn't allow two-dimensional array.
Correct, yes.
Period. Okay.
Yes, yes. It won't allow. You can say straight away it won't allow.
Okay. Okay. That's enough.
So
Next
basically
question.
it
Yes.
won't allow. The syntax itself it will fail. Basically it always will expect single dimension array or list.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. My next question is: I watched some YouTube videos for two strings method, but it's
Mm-hmm.
still not clear to me.
The two-string method of the separate stretch down and writing here a class. You see here, this is a class A, correct?
Yes. Yes.
I'm creating an object. How to create an object?
A equals variable name equals new something.
Correct. This is the way to create an object, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now what I'm trying to build this object.
Mm-hmm.
So what you are expecting when I'm building the object?
Mm, gonna come out.
So just I
Yeah.
create an object and I'm printing an object, correct?
Nothing. Yeah.
So what you see here? Can you able to
It's
understand anything from this?
no, we cannot read it properly.
No. But if you observe very closely, right, you can find out something over here. Did you see here a class name, your class name,
Yes.
and at the rate of
Yes.
after that some number, some dummy number,
Oh, that's memory number. Yeah.
memory location. Class name at the rate of memory location. So these are
Mm-hmm.
format. So but there is no use of right memory location. What do you do with memory location? Because we are not dealing with memory location, correct? It's useless, correct? Correct?
You're saying so? I didn't get the last
So
sentence.
basically, if you see here, right, class name at the rate of memory location. So we don't
Yeah.
need memory location, right? What we will do with
We
memory
don't.
location? We don't want.
Yeah. We don't care. Yep.
We don't care where it is saving all those things. Basically, we need some information which we can understand related to our programming, correct? Our data.
Yes. Yes.
So to give more meaningful sense, what we will do? So every class is subclass of object class, correct?
Every class is subclass of object class. Okay.
So currently, if you see this class A, do you see any superclass here?
No
But still, at the backend side, what it will do?
object, right?
Yes, correct. It look like
I,
this. Whether you are writing or not writing doesn't matter. Both are
mm,
same.
I see. Okay.
So from the object class, there is a method called toString. If you do control space bar, you will get this menu option. If you see
Mm-hmm.
here, there is a toString. You just
Yeah.
select and override it. Now here, what I want to do, I want to return. I want to return a meaningful name. And now what I
Mm-hmm.
did, if you see here, I have overridden the toString method, correct? And I'm
Mm-hmm.
writing the content whatever I want.
Mm-hmm.
Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm running the same program again back. So what you are getting now? So
Course. Yeah.
this will give some sense, right?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
that is the main advantage of using it. So you can override it and you can pass the content whatever you want. And if someone is creating the object and if they are trying to print that object, they can see this text. You can pass whatever you want.
So what's the benefit of using two string then? I mean, I don't get
Okay.
that.
Say for instance,
Uh-huh.
integer name,
Uh-huh.
integer age, two
Uh-huh.
variables, correct?
Uh-huh.
And
Uh-huh.
now I'm going to create a constructor for this class. Okay.
Okay.
How to create a constructor? Right click,
Mm-hmm.
source,
Source.
go to here,
Generate
generate
concept.
constructor using this case. Correct? This is right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for
I
both.
might,
Yep.
I might have told you that.
Mm-hmm.
So I created a constructor, correct?
Yes.
So now whenever I'm creating an object, I need to pass these values. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This is a string name. The string name,
String name. Yep.
okay. So whenever
Mm-hmm.
I'm creating an object, so what I have to do, I have to pass
As argument.
yes, ABC and age is 10.
Mm-hmm. So
So
it's a
one
long way of doing.
yes. Okay, now what I want to do, so instead of returning course folder, what I want to do, I want to return name colon name plus
Uh-huh.
age colon
Hey.
age.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let me run and see what I will get. I created an object and I am printing the object. Did you see this?
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
you are passing ABC and in a similar way, there is some other guy or other people, they are creating different object. I can create n number of objects, right?
Mm-hmm.
Object 1 and object 2. I am passing some different name.
Mm-hmm.
My brain is consider this age is old right?
Mm-hmm.
50 years. You see, this one I created a second object and I am printing it, correct?
Mm-hmm.
If I ran it, what was it?
John.
Then material is something you are getting right. So you are getting meaningful data. You are displaying meaningful data, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Say for instance, if you don't have this two-string method, what you will do? I'm going to comment out that way. I'm running back. So what you are getting?
The memory thing again.
Correct. So it will not give more meaning, right?
Okay. Yep. Mm-hmm.
So that is the advantage of two-string method.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense.
It is clear, right?
Yes. And and serialization, is that a part of code Java? I mean,
Yes, yes. It's
uh,
part of code Java.
okay.
Serialization also is part of code Java. If you observe your videos, right, you will get somewhere. I think this
Yeah,
is
under JDBC. Yep. No, under JDK. Yep.
you see here somewhere. Yeah, this is serialization.
Yeah.
Yes, file system to right? So if you open here customer there is a file.
Uh,
Okay. So here, what is the purpose of serialization? You see here, I created a customer object.
okay.
So basically, what I want to do. So whenever we are creating an object, what it will do basically, the object will be created
Create
and
a memory.
it will be saved inside the memory. Correct?
Yeah.
So this is your JVM. Consider.
Mm-hmm.
So what it will do, it will create an object and it will keep inside the heap.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? And
Mm-hmm.
once the object is, but we have a garbage collector. So garbage collector,
Mm-hmm.
what it will do, it will remove the object after some time.
Okay.
So whenever you are creating an object, it will remove the object. So this object will be
Mm-hmm.
removed, keep on it will be removed, it will be cleared correct, from the heap, correct?
Mm-hmm.
But if we want to keep this object permanently in an external system,
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to create an I want to create an object, but I want to keep the object for some time, permanently in a specific location, in your files, in your hard disk. So that can be
Mm-hmm.
done very easily by the serialization. So why
Okay.
we you got it right? Why we need serialization?
Yes.
So here I'm creating a file like customer.txt file. So this
Uh-huh.
object, whatever the object I'm trying to create it here,
Uh-huh.
I want to
The object.
save this
Yeah.
object into text file.
Okay.
And
You want
this
to.
text file I want to send through email. I can send, right?
Okay. Yes.
Text. So I created an object in my machine. I send the text file to you in an email.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
then what you will do, you will receive this file and you can use this piece of code. How to do deserialization part. This
Okay.
piece of file.
So you are creating one object and you are transferring this here and there, right?
Correct. You can transfer over the network.
Okay.
And
Okay.
here you understood it why we need serialization.
Yes.
Okay, now there is a class here. This is the very important question for your interview. So whenever
What?
you are doing serialization,
Uh-huh.
say for instance, now I am trying to do serialization for a customer class, correct?
Okay.
So this customer class should extend, sorry, should implement serializable interface. This is a implement
Yep.
serializable. Why we need it? So creating an object is a duplication operation, correct? So
Okay.
from JVM we are taking the object and we are writing into a file system, correct?
Okay. Okay.
So basically it is an illegal operation to take objects from the heap and writing into the external system. So JVM won't allow these kind of operations.
Okay. Okay.
So we need to tell explicitly that this is a legal operation, but still I want to do it. So
Okay.
if you do
By
this,
using implements.
correct.
Yep.
Then only JVM will allow. Otherwise, you will get serialization error.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this is a very important question. When you are doing serialization, you will implement this serializable interface. This is called as a marker interface. Just
What?
indication to the JVM.
Mm-hmm.
If you implement this serializable interface, then only you can able to write the object into your file system. Otherwise, you won't be able.
Yes. Okay. You said marker in interface.
Yes, marker interface meaning it is an interface, but it doesn't have any letters.
Okay. Okay.
If you open the serializable interface, right, you will not able to find any letters.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, right. It's clear, right? So this is the serializable interface. Did you see here? Did you see any method over here?
Just give me. Okay. Where is that? Okay. Yes. Public abstract interface. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Do you see any method? No, right?
Yes.
This is called as marker interface.
Give me 1 second. I'm looking at my code. Just bear with me. Manohar, can you
Mhm.
explain that to me? The things I send you in chat.
Okay. So here, right, so what we are doing here, basically we are creating a class. This is your
Mm-hmm.
main class, correct? Covariant return type.
Yes. Yes.
After that, we are creating a different class called class A and different
Uh-huh.
class called class B.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That.
So
Mm-hmm.
this is a class A and this is subclass, correct?
Yeah. B
Superclass.
is a sub. B is a sub superclass. B is a subclass. Yes.
Yes, A. Okay, so far it's clear, right? So
Yeah.
A is a superclass and B is a subclass.
Yes. Correct.
So inside here there is a method called add.
Uh-huh. Yes. The method name is add under
Add
a class A.
A,
Yes. That I
class
understand.
A, and what you are trying to do here, you are overriding the add method in B class.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Correct? You are
Yes.
overriding the add method in B class.
Uh-huh. So when I override, the method name has to be same, the return type has to be
Correct.
same, and I
Then
need some sort of implementation when I extend
yes,
something.
method
Implementation
name
is must, right?
in implementation you can write as per your wish. Method name
Okay,
must
as
be
per
the
my
same.
wish.
Yes,
Okay.
method name must be the same. Rule number one and rule number two. Signature must be the same. Signature means here currently you are not passing any arguments, correct?
Yes,
But
not
that is
any.
also one signature, correct? So signature
Yes.
must be the same, method name must be the same, but return type here is a condition. It should be the same or say for
Uh,
instance here did you see the return type is same or different?
where?
So this add method having the return type is same or different in
Um,
both the classes.
no, I don't see those. I don't know where you're referring.
Yeah.
You're
Yes.
talking about the chat? The chat I
The
send it
chat
to you?
window, yeah. Can you able to see the chat window?
Oh, okay. Yeah, they are same. Yeah, same.
Return types are different, right? Correct?
Yes.
So here we are returning A and here we are returning
B.
B. So
Mm-hmm.
return type, there is a rule. So return types must be the same. In case of primitive data type, if you are returning here integer, here also should be the integer. If you are returning your own class type, then in that case it should be the same. Either it should be the A or subclass of A.
Okay.
Got it? Whether if you have to return here A or subclass of A. So that is called as a covariant return type. Whether you should return same type or subclass type.
One more time, please. I'm sorry.
So here the rule is here, right? Data type should be the same. Okay, that is
Okay.
the rule. But in this
Uh-huh.
case, so here it is not a primitive, it is a user defined objects. Correct? So in this case, return
Mm-hmm.
type must be the same or subclass of super
Some.
return type.
Okay.
So this is a subclass, right? B is a subclass of A, right? Correct?
Yes.
So that's what
Mm-hmm.
we are returning class B of subtype A.
Okay. Mm.
So the
But
repetitive.
Manohar,
Hmm?
when let's think about the overriding. When we talked about overriding, I remember you
Hmm.
correct me if I'm wrong.
Hmm.
Uh, we need some sort of sys out when we do the override, but
Just
it
to
is
see
not
the,
necessary, right?
no, just to understand that
Okay.
concept, I used to add one sysort here and here.
Oh, okay. But not necessarily
No,
we have
just to
to.
understand whether it is executing this sysort or this sysort.
Okay.
Which results we
Okay.
are getting? Whether this results or this results.
Okay. 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 Makes sense. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, I think that's it for today. And if we get a chance one day, then we can talk about the exceptions if you have time, and
Fine.
one customized exception. That's it.
Yeah. How is Mustafa? He's doing good.
I'm sorry.
How is Mustafa?
Oh, he's doing good. He's doing
Yeah.
good. Yeah,
Fine,
yeah. He always ask about you. How you're doing,
fine.
and he is asking me if I have to contribute anything to you because you
No,
are
no, just no, no,
sometimes,
no. No, but,
just let us
when,
know. Okay, I will be happy to.
in long back, right? So just I want to know, we'll see how he's doing.
Sure, sure. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
fine, no
Thank
problem.
you so much for doing this. I know you are busy, but
Yeah, fine, no
just for
problem.
the
Fine.
interview.
Please
Yeah.
just let me know if you have any questions. I'll clarify. Okay.
Thank you.
No, fine,
God
no
bless.
problem.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
fine, no, thanks. Yeah. Take care.